Elegance Personified, Unveiling the Charm. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that beautifully merges concept and personification. Elegance Personified. It's a phrase that might sound complex at first, but worry not. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, elegance personified, combines two powerful concepts, elegance and personification. Elegance refers to grace, sophistication, and beauty that is simple and effective. It's not just about looks, it's also about behavior and mannerisms. On the other hand, personification is a literary device where human qualities are given to animals, inanimate objects, or abstract concepts. When we say someone is elegance personified, we're essentially stating that they embody elegance in such a profound way that they become a living example of it. This can refer to their style, demeanor, or overall presence. They are the epitome of elegance, bringing the concept to life through their very being. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In describing people, at the gala, Julia was elegance personified, moving through the room with a grace that had everyone's attention. 2. In literature and media, characters in books or movies might be described this way to highlight their graceful nature or sophisticated charm. 3. In personal experiences, you might use this phrase after meeting someone who impresses you with their poised mannerisms and refined style, telling a friend, "I met someone yesterday who was elegance personified." Using elegance personified effectively requires understanding the context and the connotation it brings. Here are some tips. Use it to compliment. It's a powerful compliment that should be reserved for moments when someone truly stands out for their elegance. Be specific. While it's a broad compliment, pairing it with specific observations about the person's behavior or style can make your praise more impactful. Literary and creative writing. It's a great phrase for character descriptions or in poetic expressions to evoke imagery of sophistication and grace. Elegance personified is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid description that brings the abstract concept of elegance to life through a person. Whether used in writing or in everyday language, it's a testament to the power of words to convey deep admiration for someone's grace and sophistication. We hope this exploration has made you more comfortable with using and understanding elegance personified. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning and expanding your linguistic horizons.